Barko, you despicable creature, my worst enemy. You've committed some heinous crimes. They were very, very heinous, of the highest heinousness, and you should be sorry for them. Now I will reveal to the world what you've done. I know Barko the Doggo had never planned to save the world. He was the one responsible for the strike of meteors. How do you think he had managed to predict them oh so well? He's a horrifying heathen who deserves to rot in hell. I just know that I'm the one who will bust Barko for his lies. I won't sit and wait and watch his devious ploys materialise. He's gaining your trust in order to kill all the cats someday. Last night I